Okay, so let's talk about presenting content in a Canvas course. Much of the content is already there. You will have inherited a course that has been designed, and you will be teaching that course and perhaps wish to make a few modifications yourself. You can do that by using the Rich Content Editor. Now, what is that? It is nested within a content page. So here are several content pages within this module, and I will click on this one, Module 1 Presentation. This is an example of simply content, straightforward content that the student reads or listens to. As you can see, it contains some multimedia, and it also contains a little tutorial here on what I'm going to show you. As I choose Edit for this page, you see for the first time, or maybe this isn't the first time, now this has a toolbar, much like a word processing toolbar, but it is really enhanced with a lot of capabilities. Here you have, in the first few commands that move from left and right, the ability to enlarge or to decrease the font size. You can choose various headings for paragraphs. You have a bold face command, also italics, underline. You can change the color of the font if you are so inclined, or if not, just leave it the way it is. And you even have a highlight tool where you can highlight content so that it stands out. It pretty much depends on you. I hit Control Z to reverse the situation. Here is the superscript and subscript commands. Now let's take a look a little bit closer at some of the more interesting commands. At least they're more interesting to me. The link command enables you to embed a website or a course link. If I'm talking about a course link, I am referring to any of the components that you see in the right. These could be other content pages, as you can see. They could be assignments. They could be quizzes. Or they could be things like announcements, discussions, if you have created discussions in your course, or even other modules. You can link to another module in the course, or course navigation. Let's turn to this little icon, which is intended for uploading media. You can upload an image from your computer by choosing the upload command, or you can choose user images. Now, whatever that might be. Moving right along, here is another command to upload or record media. This could be the ability to record yourself with a camcorder, as this is trying to do. And as you can see, it is making a picture, so I could record myself right now if I wish. You can see that there's also a VU meter, if you will, registering the sound of your voice moving from left to right. Over on the next command over is the ability to upload a document. This could be a Word file, it could be an Excel spreadsheet, it could be simply a PDF. You could pull from course documents that have been uploaded previously into the course, or you can choose user documents. Now, as far as some of these other commands are concerned, let me direct your attention to this particular plugin. This plugin enables you to embed something from any of these sources. Of utmost interest might be, as you choose View All, is Canvas Studio. Canvas Studio is a video resource within Canvas that enables you to upload a video or record a video, and even include links from YouTube or Vimeo. And it's really good for including content that might go over budget. Each course does have a budget for how much content you can load. And I've got a lot of videos, as you can see. These videos don't count against that budget, and there are other enhancements. For each of these videos, you can embed a quiz that happens along the timeline. You can even annotate the video so that there are certain markers where the user stops and can see some more information, or maybe even link to an external resource that enhances the video. You have more formatting commands over here. You have the ability to include bullets or other items. This is increase indent. And there's this command from this kebab menu, that's this ellipsis. You open up the toolbar a little bit further, and you can see that you can embed a table. And once you embed the table, there will also be the ability to access table properties so that you can do things like create borders, color different cells of the table, whatever you want to do. This is the mathematics equation editor. And as you can see, especially if you are teaching the sciences and mathematics, there is a robust set of tools that you can use to compose your equations. Now, I am not a math expert, so I'm just showing this to you. But as you can see, there is quite a bit of stuff that you can do. And then finally, this one is the embed command. Many times, if you go out onto the site of media, which is not video, let's say it's an infographic, it will come with an embed code. Many of those sites will enable you to copy the embed code. Well, what happens with that? You come over here, you paste the embed code in here, and then hit submit, and that artifact, whatever it is, the infographic, will appear in the Canvas content page. So that's a lot to digest, but hopefully as you go back over this video, you can stop at certain points along the way and see what each of these tools do. Don't forget to choose Save or Save and Publish, as the case may be.